Hello, friends. R.S. Rajan. Very nice of you taken a decision to go through the unfolding of what is this. As I have told in the first video, we have to go through some 7 videos. Let me go through the first thing about what I have got in this business for the last 11 years. As you know, I was working in a public sector 11 years back as a senior manager, drawing a salary of around 1.4 lakh Indian rupees. I came into this opportunity for in 87, 88. A friend of mine who was also a senior manager had blood cancer and he died, and his family came to streets. That was the time I understood that the money is a permanent problem for everybody, and the job or the business that we do is only a temporary solution. From that day onwards, I was searching for a permanent solution. 11 years back, I landed this in a hotel room, and a permanent solution has been got, friends. Now, how I have got it, and that is what is you are going to get it. And this I have got it without not even investing a pie, and no need for any educational qualification. Third, very important, you need not go here and there to earn money. Sitting in your place, we can do things. That type of a thing. But this is available in front of our eyes, which we always miss, friends. So let me take you through what I have got through in this 11 years. Just watch it. Then after that, what it is, what is the concept, and how it is worked, and what is the everything in series of videos. Just 10 minutes video I'll give you. So as he said, I came into this business for the first thing, the financial freedom, and I have got the financial freedom. And let me share my success story. As I said, I was working in a premium public sector in India. So I didn't do this in my name. I didn't leave the job also. I did it only a part time. So I took this opportunity in my mother's name. It is there, R. Jayalakshmi. At the time I took it was 5th September 2009. 11 years back, I'm now 12th year. The first month was just 1,600 rupees. Side by side, you can also see the dollar value. So you can see how meager it was, how much ridiculed, how much criticism. But I never bothered because a permanent solution cannot be built overnight. So I sowed my seed very patiently but very correctly. Now what I'm going to show you is not some check statements of some companies, no, friends. In India, we pay the income tax. After paying the income tax from the Government of India Income Tax Department's website, I have taken the statement, how much tax we have paid. That is tax deducted at source. That is what it's called, TDS forms. That is what I'm going to show you. So my first year was the financial year 2009, and I joined in the month September. So there was a 6 months. So in this 6 months, my income was around 2 lakh 13. Now see, first month it was 1,600. The next 5 months, 2 lakh 13. That means you should have now understood the potential of this business. Next year, it went to 14 lakhs and a monthly income of around 1 lakh without any need to study, without any investment. See the next year, 35 lakhs and to 3 lakhs monthly income. Then to 77 lakhs and to around 6. Can you imagine this type of a increase in our income? This is there, friends. It doesn't stop here. See, 98 lakhs, 8 lakhs now, monthly income. Then went to 1 crore 31. Then it went to 1 crore 38. Side by side, I have also put the dollar value. You can now see what type of a life I will be living. Then see, 1 crore 49. Then went to 1 crore 52. Then 1 crore 16. This is up to March 2019. March 2020, we are not able to give you the statement because January, February, March, we have not filed the statement because of the corona. That is around 1.7 crores, friends. And from March to this April, another 1.2 crores. If you add up everything, it will be around 12 crores. See, let me show you the potential. 11 years from now, first month 1,600. Now, July month income was 19 lakhs, monthly income. Then August month income was 24 lakhs. September month again 20. See the consistency for last 11 years, consistently rising. So 11 years consistently rising means this is a permanent feature. And see the graph. See, it's up to March 2019, it's adding up to 9 to 69 lakhs. Add up to March 2020, it's around 1.7. If you add up, it is 12 crores. If you add from March to this September, it is around another 1.2 crores. So totally, I have earned around 13 crores of Indian rupees, for which my investment is zero. No need to study anything. And it doesn't stop here, friends. Every year we have got 2 trips, all expenses paid, not even a single penny spent from me. I have gone on nearly 21 trips in this 11 years, visited 27 countries. This is my first country visit, Tashkent. I was the only person from the entire South India. Then I had 9 people in my team with my mother and daughter there. This beautiful ship, 4 or 5 days going around Malaysia, Singapore. Then I and my daughter were in Switzerland. Then with 15 people, I had been to Thailand. Then to 25 people to Malaysia, Genting Island. Then to 12 people to 3 European countries, Netherlands, Belgium, France. Then 55 people to Dubai. Then 25 people to Australia. Then 106 people to China. See, I came as a single person. Within 2.5 years, 3 years, there are 106 people who are earning to a level of going on a foreign trip and then going to see the wonder of the world. See, it can't be explained, friends. It has to be experienced. Then 39 people to Moscow. Then 196 people. See the flight. Entire flight was only us. Then we went to Turkey, Istanbul, Cappadocia. We flew the outdoor road. Then we went to Indonesia, Bali. Then to London, Scotland. Then to Abu Dhabi. Then back again to Spain. Then now back again to Pattaya with 260 people. And now to 3 European countries, Germany, Austria, Slovakia. Then to Star Cruise. Now the entire Star Cruise was filled with this company. That much amount of growth is there in this company. And of which 420 people were from my team. Entire South India, not only the people from Bangladesh, people from Abu Dhabi, people from Dubai, people from Saudi, people from Bahrain, all were there because the business has been expanded and we are expanding worldwide. And August I had gone to South Africa. This August I should have gone on a trip, but I didn't go because of the corona. No problem, friends. December, January, February, I'll go on a trip. When I entered this business at 52, I have not gone down to the small state of Tamil Nadu in India. But within years and something, I'll be going around the world without spending a pie. Not only this, I came here, bought this car in April 2010. This in 2000, no exchange, friends. That the car was there. My daughter started driving it. In 2012, I purchased the Mercedes Benz. 2013, my daughter went. She gave away the green color car and bought the gave away the red color car and bought the green color car. That is petrol and diesel. She's a graduate of engineering. Started this business on a very, very playful way, and today is earning on a very, very casual way around 1.5 lakhs every month, and a car in her name. In 2015, gave away that Benz after driving for 1.5 lakh kilometers. We bought a E-Class Benz for 60 lakhs. Then 2016, this car. So 7 cars I have bought, of which 4 cars are there and 2 drivers are there. Not only I am earning, friends, there are around 10,000 people today earning from 1,000 rupees to 12.5 lakh rupees of Indian rupees per month consistently. And 220 people have purchased cars, 10 people are driving Benz, BMW, something. So the World Tamil University awarded me with doctorate. Dr. Rosaya, when he was the governor of Tamil Nadu, he awarded me with the Bharat Ratna, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Excellence Award. Not only that, a few months back in Tamil Nadu, we have a beautiful lyricist called Mr. Vairamuthu. Through him, I got a award called the Reformer of the Civilian Reformer Award. Not only this, I was interviewed in the channel called Net TV for You with having 5 lakh subscribers about a subject, can we do business without investment? And 50 lakh subscribers behind was interviewed me with a subject, can we do business with zero investment? And I was also interviewed in Tamil Nadu by a famous channel called Kalagar TV in their program called Vidileva as a chief guest, giving advice to the entrepreneurs. Not only this, 2 months back, Pudhiyugam channel channeled my success story in the heading called Sigaram Thoduvom. Not only this, Facebook few days back, live interview about the subject, the booming business in the tough times. What business? The business that you are now seeing. See this person 11 years back, very, very ordinary, and see now, very extraordinary. My dear friends, same thing is available for you, for which I have built without sending up NP. And not only this, let me tell you one thing. What I have got is, I have done nothing new. What you are doing every day, I am also doing, but you are not paid. Somebody is getting paid. Here I am getting paid. If you change, you will also get paid. And to know more about it, as I said, there are series of videos running for 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes. Just 5, 6, 7 videos. Once you go through it at your leisure, automatically you'll know what it is, and you'll be catching hold of a great opportunity which will change your life. Not only change your life, protect your children's life, friends. That's very important. So thank you for watching so much. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much. All the best. Great day, friends. Thank you.